Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn what is an alarm and what is a digital alarm means and how to configure in the TIA portal step by step. So what is an alarm? An alarm in SCADA is an alert or notification that informs the operator about an abnormal or critical conditions in the system. For example, if a motor stops unexpectedly or the temperature exceeds its limit, an alarm is generated. Alarm help operator take quick corrective action to ensure safety and smooth operation. So let's understand what is a digital alarm. A digital alarm monitor a binary state like on or off or open or close. When the monitor condition changes to a false or abnormal state, the alarm trigger. For example, if the Boolean tag called motor fault or trip become true, the system will generate a digital alarm. Digital alarms are essential because they provide immediate notification for equipment failure, improve system reliability, and allow for event logging and troubleshooting. So in this tutorial, we will learn how we can configure a digital alarm in the WinCC Unified. So here, for example, if I will generate a digital alarm, here you can see we receive the digital alarm. So we'll learn how we can configure this digital alarm, and if the alarm is deactivated, here it's showing incoming and outgoing. In alarm came and now it's went. When I acknowledge the alarm, it will show that so alarm is acknowledged. Once I acknowledge the alarm, acknowledge will disappear, alarm will disappear here. So let's see how we can configure in the WinCC. So we will use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So, to configure our alarm, first of all, few of the configurations we have to do it. We'll go in the runtime setting and the storage system. From here, you have to select it your storage device. Main data alarm logging, where our alarm historical alarm will store. In the normal cases might be it's off. If it will off, in that case the alarm will not historize. Once you just change the window, it will disappear. So if you are I'm using the PC system, that's why it's showing the local setting. But if you select the HMI, any of the HMI model, here it will show you either the SD card option or the USB option. So if you connect, if you insert the SD card in your HMI, then you can select the SD card option or the USB option if you connect it. So I will just keep it default for this tutorial, but you have to, if you will, will be at off condition, your alarm will not log. Then the second setting, you will come here in the log, because we want to historize our alarms in the alarm logging. So you have to come here, click over the alarm log. Right now, we did not create any alarm log tag. So double click here and you can either use the same or rename it. I will just keep it the same and just keep the same alarm log and save it. Now the third setting, you will come here in the alarm HMI alarm option, then go in the alarm class. For in this tutorial example, we will use this alarm class, and for this alarm class, how the configuration is there, like it's use the alarm with single mode acknowledgement. So here you can see the which alarm is with acknowledgement and which one is without it. We are selecting the class that have alarm single mode acknowledgement. And here is the alarm behavior. Like once the incoming means alarm is active. If the alarm is active, it will show the red color and text will be white and it will give the flashing, it will blink it. Once the alarm is came and after that it's went or activate and then deactivate from the field, then it will still show the blink and it will show the same color. If you want, you can modify it from here. I will just keep the same as default. And once alarm came and operator acknowledge, then it will stop the flashing. Rest the color will remain same. If the alarm came and after that is normalized, and if you click over the acknowledge button, then it will stop it, but it will disappear from the pending alarm screen. So now we'll go to here in the discrete alarm. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the digital alarm or discrete alarm. So we'll configure it from here. There's two way. Either you can configure it from here or from you can open it your alarm tags and you can also, for example, in this tutorial I want to configure this. You can also select from here you can also configure from here. Okay, so I will use this way, and here I will write the name. For example, I will write E01 trip alarm ALM, and here I will write the description pump 01 trip alarm. Then from here I will select the tag, which tag I want to uh, link with this alarm. So I will select E01 trip. That's it. Rest other setting I will just keep it the same. Now I will open my screen. Here I already developed this alarm screen in my previous tutorial videos. So I will just zoom it a little bit. Okay. I will little bit adjust it. So I will take it from the control area, and from here we'll take this alarm control, select it, and then just drop it here, and I will just put it the 50% and will adjust according to our screen size. Okay. Now here on the top, I never want this cross button, the header area. So select this and then expand this appearance option and then Windows setting, and here no heading required, no border, no resize, move over, maximize and close option. So just click none. So now if you see on the top, header is disappear, relevant to cross button. Now I will little bit explain about these buttons, and I will put the below. So runtime you can also able to understand what about these button. So the first button is our active alarm. Then whatever if alarm left from the uh, this pending alarm category, for example, here is the you can see the pending alarm. Right now the alarm whatever it will appear here, I select the pending alarms. So I will just keep this pending alarm, whatever our active alarm, it will show here. If the alarm is acknowledged, that then it will go from the active alarm to logged alarm. Similar manner, this the statistic alarm is showing like that. It will give the in detail for how many time duration alarm was active, when it's deactive. Then the first line, this icon, the first line, this is the previous line, this for the next line, and this is for the last line. Now, this two important alarm is there. This alarm is showing the single acknowledgement. One single alarm you can acknowledge. Here you on the top you will get the count how many alarm is available. And here is the group acknowledgement. This two alarm is for the acknowledgement. Okay, this the check mark option you can see. Remember, this two is for the acknowledgement. Okay, so after that, this alarm is for the confirmation alarm, and then this for the selection of up and down, and this for the filtration of alarm. This is for the sorting of alarm. Okay, so we'll see the runtime. This all options. Okay, now here I will put one of the button, and I will configure for this. For example, comp trip, because I will configure for this alarm this button as a for the simulation purpose. Select it, click the events, then select the press, and from here I will select the function invert bit tag. So this will work as a toggle function. So I already explained in the previous tutorial. Okay, so now I will take one more circle, and just for the indication of my alarm, and then come here in the appearance, this background color. I will select the tag, and from here we'll select the trip tag. Once the color is changed for this background, so from the trip option, I will select the single weight, and from here, once the value is true for this, it should show me like the red color. Okay. It's been our complete strip. Okay, that's it for this alarm. Alarm configuration. Here I already explained. We select the pending alarms, and rest other explain the other settings for this column wise setting and the width of column I will explain in our coming up tutorial video. Alarm classes we will also explain in our coming up tutorial video. Now I will simply download this configuration. Okay, so now here I want to reset the previous log alarm. If you want to reset, you can select this option for the reset of the previous log alarm. So while we are compiling, we are getting this alarm. No alarm class is configured. I will cancel it and we miss this step. So come here in the alarm class as we are considering using this alarm class. If you come here in the discrete and the alarm class we are using, we select from the alarm class this alarm class. So I will come here and from here we have to select this our alarm log that in the second step we already configure it. Okay, we will compile now our project, save it. Now we are not getting any compile error. So now we'll download this to in our HMI. So we'll download and from here I will reset all previous alarm and click over the load. So our project is successfully loaded. Open the runtime, put the username one, enter the password and click here over the alarm page and I will just put it maximize. So now if I will activate alarm, I will click it here. Here you can see now alarm is activated and from here you can see it our alarm timing. Now if the alarm is active, it's showing only incoming. So it's mean alarm is just right now it's the active. Now if I will uncheck this option, here you can see it's showing alarm is incoming like active. Now alarm is normalized, outgoing, it's mean alarm is normalized. And here you can see in the below acknowledge option also enabled now. So if in this state, if I will acknowledge the alarm, single acknowledge alarm, here you can see this is a single acknowledge alarm. If I will acknowledge it, alarm will disappear from here in the alarm window. I will again acknowledge this activate the alarm and now if I will acknowledge any of the option, if I will here you can see now alarm is active and acknowledged and stop the blinking. The beginning I show you what is the behavior of the alarm class. So here you can see it's now active alarm and acknowledged from the operator side. Now once this alarm is deactivated, now it will directly disappear. So where is going? It's going here in the logged alarm. So in the log alarm, you can see the complete tree. 2 times we activate the alarm. Here is showing when alarm is active when it's normalized, like it's gone back, and when it's normal. Now, no any alarm is there. So here, when alarm is gone. So same also here. And in the statistic area, is showing for how much like duration it was active and for how many time it was deactive. Okay, so here is the uh, selection display. Like here you can put the criteria or query, so you can also filter alarm if you have the lots of alarm here in the alarm control screen. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure the digital alarm in the WinCC Unified. So thanks for watching this video.